Are you guys ready? Take a look at this, guys. So this is one setup here. So they're waiting to pair up, and once we connect them and everything, then we can go ahead and we can change the colors and the settings and different stuff. Oh, yes. Wow. So guys, these are the lights. You do get a control with all of these different settings. You get your brackets for mounting, and of course you have your connecting hub as well as a on and off. So if you don't want to use the remote, you can go ahead and use this as well. So these are what the lights look like. Now these can also be used with double-sided tape, which they already have on here. So what you would do is you'd peel off this piece like this, and then you can stick it on anywhere you want, which makes it really nice. And we're going to show you guys at nighttime. Here we go. Let's see what they look like. So we don't want to give it too much away, but we like the red, so we keep the red on all the time. But there's tons of settings you guys can do, and they're amazing. So we can see some of the colors. They are definitely super bright, which is awesome. Now you can dim them down. So you can make them really dim, and then you can definitely make them really bright. Which I love, so we're definitely going to be doing that. You can set auto mode. Wow. So let's open them up a little bit better so you can see. They do come tangled, so that is kind of disappointing. But they're not like really fine, so they're easy to untangle. Versus some, you know, like Christmas lights, that can be a mess. But these are a lot easier to untangle. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick up the color, but the color is fantastic. I really like these a lot. Got blue, yellow, purple, red. So you got a nice mix of colors. I like white. That's going to look really nice at our garage, our new garage we build. Again, you can set it for all kinds of different stuff on here. You can do mode. A lot of cool settings on here. But yeah, there's all kinds of modes and tons of stuff you guys can do with these. I like auto. When you put it at auto mode, it just automatically will go through all the settings that it has. So that's going to be my favorite mode.